Hi, today I'm sharing my experience launching my SaaS on AppSumo. I managed to get over 15K in sales within just a few days. It sounded promising at first, but my enthusiasm quickly dissolved. The user base was primarily seeking bargain lifetime access, not generally interested in utilizing my tool. In this video, I will walk you through the unfiltered reality of selling on AppSumo. I will share the upsides and drawbacks I personally discovered. AppSumo is a marketplace for discounted lifetime deals on SaaS. Lifetime deals, or LTD, is a way to sell your SaaS. Pay once, use forever. It's a common practice to run an LTD campaigns for new SaaS. The company get quick cash injection, and the bakers will be able to save money by using the tool forever. Win-win. AppSumo is the biggest listing of such deals. Launching there is a campaign that requires specific knowledge and preparation. It's a serious thing, perhaps even more serious than launching on Product Hunt. A successful AppSumo campaign can bring a lot of cash overnight. For the sweetest offers, AppSumo provides help. They create an explainer video for your tool. More than that, they will not just list you on your website, but actively promote your offer to their audience. That's over 1.5 million subscribed looking for the next hot deal. AppSumo presents a remarkable chance to showcase your SaaS to a vast, engaged audience. Expect detailed reviews and constructive feedback from these enthusiastic Sumo links. Initially, AppSumo might appear to be a gateway to instant cash, offering exposure to thousands of potential buyers from top countries, all at no initial cost. However, a significant drawback looms. People come to AppSumo mostly to get deals, not necessarily for the best product. It's an opportunity to gamble and get lifetime access for a one-time fee. The lifetime label is often just a marketing gimmick. As the AppSumo staff member told me in a private email conversation, usage and engagement drops off steeply after just 3 months for the average tool. People play with it like a toy and then move on. This type of relation is very transactional, not about finding the right professional tool for the long term, more about the thrill of lifetime savings. This leads to crazy churn and refunds, as people lose interest quickly. This is not the type of business I am building. I prefer building long-term, 3-5 years relationships. Are you ready to get thousands of such clients overnight? I would never allow that to my SaaS. To provide you a broader perspective, I reached out to my friend. Meet Rifat, the founder of SpreadSimple. His company was featured in AppSumo Select. It's a special section on the website for top tools. I am not allowed to disclose the exact amount, but Rifat and the team made times more money than I did. He sent me a 15 minutes audio message. After spending a few hours of listening, then transcribing and summarizing his content, I wrote down the key points. And this is his opinion condensed. The pros of doing a lifetime deal: getting cash quickly without giving up equity, access to the AppSumo's large US and Western European audience, lots of reviews on AppSumo and other websites like Capterra and G2, feedback from highly engaged audience. But the cons: the AppSumo audience can be very demanding and unreasonable. Many people buy just to resell your product or license. Lifetime deal users will resist changes and restructuring your offerings. It requires a lot of customer support during and after the deal. Overall, lifetime deals bring in short-term cash, but can hurt the long-term health of your product and audience. Rifat and the team decided not to do another lifetime deal. Instead, they focus on the recurring revenue. Rifat gets it straight to the point. I couldn't agree more. Let's sum up. My campaign gathered 15K with the power of the new short-term focused audience. Great. But there is a downside. The new short-term focused audience. It shifted my focus from my long-term clients to this. Of course, I understand the power of AppSumo. A quick cash injection and lots of promotion can bring your SaaS from 0 to 1 or even further, but it's not a no-brainer. Here are 3 advices for you. First, consider launching a small lifetime deal campaign beforehand. Aim for 10K. It will help you to refine your offer. I have a video about how to launch such tiny LTD round. You can watch it here. Second, aim high for big cash from $100 to $300,000 at least. Smaller launches are not worth the effort. And the last one, the most important, know exactly what you will spend money for. Make a strict expenses plan. It will be such a tragedy if you earn cash and just burn it for pointless things like hiring or useless ads. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in 1 week. Ciao.